How to copy the table from Excel to Word document. First, select the entire table you need to copy. So click and hold, highlight like this. Then we need to select copy here from the home. Copy or Command C. We are moving to the Word file. Here's a blank new Word file. Right click and paste. Here's the table. One problem, I cannot see the entire table, but take a look. When I click here to highlight the table, I will see this white point, even outside the page. Click and hold and try to make the page fit with the table. So we need to make the page larger or the table smaller or both. So in case of really big table, I will need to flip my page to be horizontal. You can do that in your layout. Orientation, landscape. So that can help with really large tables, because you can make it on the landscape like that. And if your table is not that big, you can stay in portrait. Just remember to drag this white point back on the page so nothing is cut out. Of course, this is still editable, so we can adjust, let's say, the font size inside the table. Alright, so now you need to do a bit of extra editing to match the table with your content in Microsoft Word. But in general, it's just simple copy and paste. You must select exactly what you need from your Excel first. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.